Santorini is a jewel in the Aegean Sea. It floats like a dream on the water. White houses cling to volcanic cliffs. Bright blue domes shine under a brilliant sun. The sea below is a deep, impossible blue. Each evening, the island seems to take a slow, collective breath. The sky fills with a watercolor wash of orange, pink, and gold. This is the perfect setting for an ultra-luxe escape. It is a promise of quiet beauty and deep comfort. Together, private villas and gourmet sunset cruises make luxury feel grand and deeply personal. Imagine waking up slowly in your private villa. The room is cool and quiet. Smooth, whitewashed stone walls. Sunlight through a sheer linen curtain. You step onto a sun-drenched terrace over the caldera. The Aegean stretches out, vast and sparkling. The distant cry of a seabird. A gentle breeze ripples the curtains. A private infinity pool glows, water like the sky. Close up, a breakfast tray drifting on the pool. This is your personal paradise, far from any rush. Luxury here means seamless service and complete privacy. You sip your morning coffee, warmth in your hands. They make sure you have everything yet remain almost invisible. Fresh bread, local honey, ripe fruit. You have the freedom to choose your day. Read by the pool, explore a village, or simply watch the light change on the water. The location of your villa is key to shaping your Santorini experience. Each village has its own distinct personality. Oya, perched on the northern tip, is the most famous. Its sunsets are legendary, yet a secluded villa set back from the paths restores peace. Immerse sits at the caldera's highest point, the balcony to the Aegean. Less crowded, deeply tranquil with uninterrupted panoramas. Fira, the island's capital, is vibrant. Shops, restaurants, bars. Stay cliffside for views with easy access to everything. Research privacy of terraces and pools. Some sit near public pathways. Consider steps, mobility, and distance from car drop-off. A little research ensures your haven is the perfect fit. Booking your dream villa is simple if you plan ahead. The most important tip is to book early. Top villas, sunset views, private pools. Book out a year in advance, especially July and August. Start 6 to 9 months out. Review abundant recent photos and guest reviews. List must-haves: kitchen, daily housekeeping, breakfast, transfers. Ask what's included, staff schedules, and read cancellation policies. Costs vary by size, location, time of year, and level of service. Spring and fall offer better value. Peak season commands a premium. Expect around €800 per night to several thousands for the most opulent. Think value, space, quiet, and a setting worthy of life's biggest moments. A gourmet sunset cruise is an essential part of Santorini luxury. It shows the island from a new perspective as you leave the cliffs behind. The boat glides, and the sea breeze cools your skin. The sky transforms, gold, orange, deep crimson. On deck, a beautifully set table awaits. This is fine dining afloat, with the freshest local ingredients. Imagine tasting fish caught that morning. Sweet tomatoes, creamy cheeses, artisanal bread. Each course is thoughtfully prepared and beautifully presented. Excellent Greek wines pair the meal. Service is warm and effortless. The caldera cliffs glow in the final rays. You hear the gentle sound of waves on the hull. You smell the sea air and taste the Mediterranean on your plate. Some cruises add a sommelier or a live cooking moment. After sunset, village lights twinkle across the cliffs. Returning under the stars is the perfect end to a perfect evening. You can choose from a wonderful variety of boats. A small private yacht feels intimate and flexible. Larger yachts offer grand spaces and extensive amenities. Catamarans are smooth, stable, and spacious, popular for sunset. A classic kaiki adds timeless Greek romance. Most routes depart Vlyshata or Amudi, sail the south coast, and enter the caldera. You'll pass the red and white beaches. Many cruises include a swim stop, sometimes at the hot springs. Then, anchor for the Oya sunset, truly magical from the water. Book reputable operators, read recent reviews, confirm menus and dietary needs. Ask if drinks are included. Costs vary by boat type, length, and private versus group. A private gourmet cruise is a significant investment, priceless for special celebrations. The true luxury here is a gentle, unhurried rhythm. Wake with the sun and linger over breakfast on your terrace. Stroll the lanes early. Admire whitewashed architecture and local craft. Return to your sanctuary. Read, nap, listen to music. Let the afternoon unfold. A light lunch, fresh salad and bread. Prepare for your sunset cruise. Step aboard. Let the crew handle everything. Sea, sky, exquisite food. After stars appear, return to your villa in quiet comfort. End the day with a final glass, watching distant village lights. Plan one whole day with nothing scheduled. The freedom to do nothing is the ultimate luxury. Shoulder seasons shine late spring, May and June, and early fall, September and October. Warm weather, fewer crowds. Peak summer is hot and busy. Book far in advance. Pack breathable fabrics, swimsuits, sun hat, sunglasses, high SPF sunscreen, sturdy walking shoes, and a light layer for breezy evenings. Fly into JTR or ferry from Athens or nearby isles. Arrange a private transfer through your villa. Plan your budget. A high-end villa and private gourmet cruise are investments. Confirm any local taxes and keep euros for tips and small purchases. The value is in privacy, service, and memories you will keep forever. As your journey ends, what remains is quiet elegance and profound beauty. The sun dips into the Aegean, painting the sky in soft pastels. You remember fresh, local flavors savored at sea, with the breeze in your hair, and the tranquility of your terrace, watching the world glide by. This island teaches slower travel. Put the camera down, breathe the salt air, feel the sun. Choose family-run places and eco-conscious operators. Conserve water, skip single-use plastics. True luxury is thoughtful and appreciative. Choose shoulder season dates, find your cliffside villa, book early, and let the island work its magic on you.